On question number 6, we're trying to graph this line. And our first step is going to be to solve for y so that we can type it into the calculator and then see what the graph looks like. So I want to solve for y. So I need to get y by itself. And my first step is going to be to subtract 2x from both sides. Next I want to divide everything by 3. So y is equal to negative 2/3 x minus 4. Okay, so you need to type that in under the y equals menu, and I used y1. And then if you press the graph button, it will take you to the graph. So on this question, we didn't need to go into the zoom menu and press zoom standard. You could, but it was already set to the negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10 window already. So this one is crossing at negative 4 and negative 6. So it's crossing at negative 4 on the y-axis and negative 6 on the x-axis. So let's connect the dots. And again, we actually knew that it was going to cross at negative 4 on the y-axis because our equation was in slope-intercept form, and the number here tells you the y-intercept.